Hello, today a short video about my potentilla. It's a Potentilla fruticosa. In fact, the video has been requested by a subscriber of mine who is a rather popular YouTuber. Actually, he's completely out of my league, but he asked me to show my potentillas. I've got 3 potentillas. The potentilla family is a really big group with a lot of different species and also bushes such as this one, Potentilla fruticosa. The story of this bush is rather interesting. I've had it for about 15 years or so. It grows actually in a public space in front of my house, but the ground is not mine. The space is not mine. The soil is extremely poor. It's mainly sand and rubble. But because potentilla bushes form taproots, they can survive really a lot. At some point I grew tired of it. I thought it looked quite bad and I wanted to say goodbye to it. So we tried to dig it up and we couldn't because of the taproot. So I decapitated it and it wasn't enough. So I chopped it to the ground level. And look what happened. It's like phoenix from the ashes. The potentilla started growing and started flowering again. So it seems that my drastic method has revived this bush, and I think the potentilla stays put where I planted it many years ago.